Continue same as Tote A, see steps 2 and 3. Turn to Tote A now and find steps 2 and 3. Open out press edges of pocket band at upper edge. Press under 1/4 inch on upper edge of pocket and band. Turn upper edge to outside along fold line, forming facing. Stitch across ends of facing. Let the picture help you understand this step. When looking at the drawing, remember that the shaded part of the drawing indicates the right side of the material, and the white side of the drawing indicates the wrong side of the material.
We are now going to create the facing of the pocket. The facing is what's going to allow it to look like a clean finish once we are done. We are going to be looking at the inside of the pocket. That is the material that we do not want to see. The first thing we're going to do is open out the edges. From here, we are going to fold in to our fold line. You are going to press this down. When you do this, you want to press all the way out so that your edges are still open. You may use your steam to help set this crease in, which is going to allow you to have a nice, clean line when you stitch it down. Once this is pressed down, you will see that the edges are open on both sides. The next thing you want to do is flip this over, and now we are looking at the right side. From here, we are going to flip this towards the outside. You are going to be folding it on that fold line that you drew earlier. Once you have this lined up, it is open on both sides, you are going to press this into place. What you basically just did is created a zigzag with your material. This is where we are going to be stitching. On each side, here and here, at 1/2 inch. So to review how we got here, we started with opening up the sides. The next step was to fold in towards the fold line, making sure both sides are open. Flipping it over, you are going to flip it towards you or towards the right side. You are then going to press. We are now going to stitch at 1/2 inch on this side and 1/2 inch on this side. We have just prepped to make that facing. We are now going to come on each side and sew at 1/2 inch, which is our seam allowance for the entire project. Because it is a small spot to stitch, you are going to only need to reverse or back stitch about a stitch or 2. So go ahead and start, reverse right away, and continue. You are going to reverse again at the edge and continue. This is a very small stitch, which is going to look like this on both sides.